For the best price, click the link in the description. Today we're going to put the Acer Aspire Go 15 under the microscope, and I want to warn you up front, this review is not for the faint of heart. But here's what surprised me about this laptop. It's not just a device, it's an experience. The moment I opened the box, I was struck by its sleek design and premium build quality. But therefore, my excitement quickly turned into frustration as I realized that its hefty price tag might make it inaccessible to many buyers. What if I told you that this laptop is actually a beast when it comes to performance? With up to 16 hours of battery life and an Intel Core i7 processor, the Acer Aspire Go 15 can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. But what about its portability? Can it truly deliver on its promise of being a go-anywhere laptop? The Acer Aspire Go 15 boasts an impressive array of features that set it apart from other laptops in its class. It comes equipped with a stunning 15-inch Full HD display, up to 16 GB of RAM, and a range of storage options including SSD and HDD. Therefore, the question remains: is this laptop worth the extra money you'll spend? Let's take a closer look at what makes this laptop tick. In terms of performance, it's clear that Acer has pulled out all the stops. The Intel Core i7 processor is paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and a range of storage options, making it an ideal choice for heavy users who need a device that can keep up. But here's where things get interesting: the battery life. With up to 16 hours of juice on tap, this laptop can easily outlast many of its competitors. Therefore, if you're someone who's always on the go, the Acer Aspire Go 15 is definitely worth considering. Now let's talk about portability. We all know that a good laptop should be lightweight and easy to carry around. But what about durability? Can this laptop withstand the rigors of daily use? According to Acer's website, the Aspire Go 15 has been designed with a range of features that make it perfect for life on the go. These include its slim and lightweight design, robust magnesium alloy chassis, and spill-resistant keyboard. But here's what I found most surprising: the price. At around $1,200, this laptop is certainly not cheap. Therefore, you'd expect it to come with some serious bells and whistles. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look at the competition. The Dell XPS 15 and HP Envy 15 are both solid options in their own right, but they can't quite match the Acer Aspire Go 15 when it comes to performance. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new laptop that can keep up with your demanding needs, I highly recommend checking out the Acer Aspire Go 15. But be warned, its price tag may give you pause. So is the Acer Aspire Go 15 worth the extra money? In my opinion, it's definitely a contender. With its impressive performance, long battery life, and durable design, this laptop has something for everyone. But before I wrap things up, let me reiterate that there are better deals to be found on Amazon. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the Acer Aspire Go 15 for an unbeatable price. In conclusion, the Acer Aspire Go 15 is a top-notch laptop that's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for something new. But don't just take my word for it, check out the links and reviews below to see what others have to say. For the best price, click the link in the description.